In this video, we will set up a multiple performance rodeo draw. First of all, the definition of a multiple performance rodeo draw. In this draw format, each competitor will run or ride one time. The competitors will be split into multiple performances consisting of a subgroup of all the competitors in that event. For example, a barrel racing event with 50 competitors may be split with 25 competitors running in the Saturday performance and 25 competitors running in the Sunday performance. The scores, times, from each performance will be combined to calculate the dollar payout and or points awarded for the competition. Typically, all the events in a rodeo follow the same draw format, but not always. In the RodeoReady app, you will select a number of events and define the draw format for that selection of events. If all events are to follow the same format, then you will select all events. If some events or one event will follow a different draw format, then select these separately and follow the process. For this example, we will select a number of senior events, which will use the same draw format. A one-go, two-performance draw format with performance 1 on Saturday and performance 2 on Sunday. Make sure when setting up your event rounds that you select only one go for this format. To this point, we have selected all the events that will be included in the competition. Now we will configure the performance schedule. Tap the Performances tab, tap Add Performance, enter the name for the performance as well as the start, date, and time. Note that the start, date, and time for this performance must fit within the start, end dates, and times you set in the Details tab. Tap Select, then tap Edit Groups. Tap on the row shown as Go 1 This Performance, where we can set the maximum competitors in this event in this performance, and tap Save. Repeat for the rest of the events. Note that the first time you set up a rodeo in this way, it will require some time to work through all the events. Future rodeos can be copied with the same events and performance settings. When you have all the maximum competitors set, tap OK, then tap Save. The Saturday performance is now saved. We will now need to add Sunday performance. Tap Add Performance. We will name the Sunday and note that we set the date as one day after Saturday and have set the time for this as well. Then tap Select. Tap the first Add Group button. This will also be in Go 1, and tap to the maximum competitors, and we will set the number of competitors that can be in the Sunday performance. We will repeat for the rest of these events. Note that when you're adding this second group, even though the highlighted performance shows as Saturday, the first performance, when we tap OK and then tap Save, it will reset this to the performance we were working in, and now we will have our Saturday performance with all of the events and our Sunday performance with all of the events, and the maximum number of competitors allowed per each performance, per each event, has been set, and this will be used when the draw generation occurs. Tap Save, and we are done setting up the two performances.